Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. The reasons your mortgage payments are rising sharply are all in this global news roundup. The US equity markets are lower today, but by less than yesterday. That leaves them well in bear market territory, however. And the American bond markets are still hemorrhaging losses. Both are waiting for tomorrow's US Fed rate decisions. Markets have priced in a 75 basis point rise to 1.75%. And the Fed seems sharply focused on just fighting inflation, prepared to take the risks of triggering a recession. Meanwhile, American producer prices rose sharply again in May, but the rate of annual increase was unchanged from April at just over 10%. But as high as that is, it is actually its least acceleration in 2022. But that doesn't hide the fact that 10% increases are damagingly fast. Still holding up, however, are American retail sales gains. Last week's survey shows them little change from the year-on-year rise of about 11%. Much of this, however, will be inflation. And Chinese foreign direct investment inflows are slowing and slowing fast. They revealed that for the 5 months to May, almost $90 billion flowed in. But if that is correct, that means that they had only $13 billion arrive in May, the lowest month in flow since October 2021, and almost 20% less than May 2021. In Australia, the widely watched NAB Business Confidence Report was strong, but not quite as positive as for April. Cost rises eased back in what they hope is an early signal. That the overall sentiment is this good despite the high inflation, rising interest rates and cost pressures is somewhat remarkable, especially in the face of global expectations of recession. The US Treasury 10-year yield will start today up another 9 basis points from this time yesterday, up to 3.50%. And the price of gold is down another $18 in New York, now at $1,811 an ounce, still knocked around by the strong US dollar. And oil prices are falling now, down from this time yesterday, now down $1.50 to just under $117 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just under $119.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today sharply lower again, at just on 62.1 US cents, and another 0.75% fall from this time yesterday. Against the Australian dollar, we're unchanged at 90.4 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down 0.5 cent to 59.6 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just under 70.3 and down another 50 basis points since this time yesterday. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.